At least 9 dead, many more hurt in a commuter train disaster near Sydney.
The main rail line north from Sydney will be closed until tomorrow, following a crash involving 2 freight trains. They collided at Beresfield, north of Newcastle, shortly before peak hour this morning. Rail services to the Hunter and the north of the state have been disrupted, and buses are now taking commuters around the crash site.
At 6:40 this morning, a fully laden coal train slammed into the back of another parked at Beresfield station. 6 wagons and 3 locomotives derailed in the pile-up, blocking all 4 tracks. Emergency workers sprayed the area with foam to prevent the coal igniting. 6 people suffered minor injuries.
The 2 drivers in the back train realised they were going to smash, so they put the brakes on and had to jump off the train.
Police believe the early hour of the collision prevented what could have been a disaster.
A little bit later, the platform could have been streaming with school children, other people on their way to work.
Overnight, cranes will remove a locomotive from one of the tracks.
The plan is to try and restore 1 track for service within the next 24 hours.
Police are yet to interview the train drivers. The Department of Transport will hold a formal inquiry into the cause of the accident. In the meantime, FreightCorp management maintain their safety standards are adequate.
Safety is our number 1 priority. We are an accredited operator, that is the Department of Transport accredit us to operate on the rail, and we have to pass the tests that they set to achieve that accreditation.
FreightCorp hope to have all 4 tracks cleared within 3 days. John Stewart, ABC News, Sydney.